friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I'm a maths online tutor. I'm the founder of Nisha Tutor. I have been teaching since 2008 and I have worldwide students. In this video, I'm going to tell about factoring trinomials where a not equal to 1 and our trinomial given in this form ax square plus bx plus c, and if a value is not 1, that time we don't use uh, shortcut like we did in my last two videos. Here we split middle term, okay, and here product is this a multiply c. So here 8 times minus 15, which is minus 120, and sum is minus 2. And do you know, here product is negative, it means different sign, and sum is negative, it means larger number negative. So we have choices 10 times minus 12, which is minus, when we multiply, we get minus 120, and when we uh, add them, we get minus 2. 10 times, 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Okay. Here we can write first term and last term as it is, just a split middle term minus 2x. So we can write plus 10x minus 12x. Okay, 10x minus 12x is minus 2x. From first two terms we can take common. Here we are using grouping method. From here we can take common 2x, 8x square divided by 2x, 4x, 10x divided by 2x, 5, and from here we can take common negative 3, minus 12x divided by minus 3 is 4x, minus 15 divided by minus 3 is 5. And now can you see here bracket portion is same, so 4x plus 5. This term divided by this we get 2x. This term divided by this we get minus 3, and this is the answer. In just 3 steps we got answer, and we factored this polynomial. Okay, here just split middle term and then use grouping method. Okay, here is another question. 10x square minus 27x plus 5. Here product is 10 times 5, 50, and sum is minus 27. Sum is positive, it means both signs same, and here sum is negative, it means both number sign is negative. So minus 2 times minus 25 is 50, and minus 2 minus 25 is minus 27. Okay. Here, first term and last term we can write as it is 10x square, and here 5. Just to split this middle term minus 27x, we can write minus 2x minus 25x. Okay. Now we can use grouping method. Here 4 terms. From first two terms we can take common 2x. 10x square divided by 2x, 5x, and minus 2x divided by 2x, minus 1. From here we can take common negative 5. Minus 25x divided by minus 5, we get 5x, and 5 divided by minus 5, we get minus 1. Now you can see this bracket portion is same, so we can take common 5x minus 1, and here this term divided by this 2x, this term divided by this we get minus 5, and this is the answer. Very simple, just a split middle term with the help of this and just factorize. Okay, now this is third question. 4x square minus xy minus 5y square. Here two variables, but don't worry, just solve like we earlier solved these two questions, same process. Okay, here product is 4 times minus 5 is minus 20 and sum is minus 1. Okay, now product is negative, it means different sign, and sum is negative, it means larger number negative. So 4 times negative 5 is negative 20 and 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Okay, first term and last term we can write as it is. Just a split middle term minus xy we can write plus 4xy minus 5xy. Isn't it easy? If you have any doubt in this step, please ask me. From first two terms we can take common 4x square divided by 4x 4xy divided by 4xy. From here we can take common negative 5y. Okay. This term divided by this we get x. This term divided by this we get y plus 5. Now we can take common this parenthesis x plus y. Here left 4x. Here left minus 5y. Okay, one more thing. Here, mostly students do mistake. They don't write anything. Here, no sign. But here, actually, plus or minus always. Okay. Here, nothing. Here, just multiply. But here, always plus or minus. Okay. Now, this is another question. 18x cube plus 33x square minus 30x. So this is not a quadratic trinomial, right? Here x to the power 3, cubic trinomial. Can you observe here 18x cube, 33x square, 30x. So here we can take a greatest common factor. From here we can take common x, and here 18, 33 and minus 30. So we can take common 3 also. So 3x is the greatest common factor. So first take this 18x cube divided by 3x we get 6x square. 33x square divided by 3x 11x, and minus 30x divided by 3x minus 10. Okay, now we got quadratic trinomial. Okay, now we can factorize this. So product is 6 times minus 10 is minus 60 and sum is 11. Okay, product is negative, it means different sign, and sum is positive, it means larger number positive. So 15 times 4. Okay, and larger number positive. Okay, 15 times minus 4 is minus 60 and 15 minus 4 is 11. So we can split middle term. First term 6x square and last term minus 10 we can write as it is. We can write 11x, it means 15x minus 4x. Okay. Now we got four terms. From first two terms we can take common 3x. 6x square divided by 3x we get 2x. 15x divided by 3x 5. From here we can take common negative 2. Okay, so here that's why always negative or positive. Now here minus 4x divided by minus 2 is 2x, and minus 10 divided by minus 2 is 5. So can you see here three terms, here four terms, and now two terms. This one is first and this one is second. Okay. Now factorize final this step. From here and here we can take common bracket portion which is same. So that's why we are taking common 2x plus 5 here left 3x, and here left minus 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Very simple question. Okay, just remember few things, like if take common, if your greatest common factor, so please take common. Okay, and then solve. You have to know what is product, what is sum, and you have to good knowledge about integers, and then you can split middle term. Okay, here three terms. Remember, this is three terms, four terms, two terms. Okay, and then factorize. Here mostly students mistake. They don't write negative or positive here sign, but please remember here write negative or positive. For example, here both are positive, or 4x is positive, so we take here plus. Okay, here negative, that's why we are taking negative common. Okay. So these questions are really easy, but if you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.